Yes, absolutely, my friends. What's going on, everybody? This is Luke Pico with IroncladConfidence.com coming to you guys today, my friends. Another amazing video. Yeah, buddy, baby. I hope you guys are straight rocking that world champions and always transforming that psychology, baby. Yeah, buddy, baby. So check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, you guys, on this channel, we talk about all things confidence building. We talk about all things transformation. And so we talk about stuff like universal laws of attraction. We talk about things like quantum physics, which is science, and it's actually giving you the reality that you have, and you probably don't even know it, dude. Yeah, buddy. And so if you want to learn about these law of attraction secrets that I'm going to share with you, then stick around, baby, because today I'd like to share with you the law of attraction secrets of personal transformation and how to discover yourself. How to discover who you are, right? What are you talking about, Luke? How to discover who I am. You want to learn about self-discovery, baby? You want to learn about transformation? You want to learn about universal laws of attraction? I'm going to share it with you right now, dude. So this is what I've personally learned about transformation in my life, okay? And so here's the thing. I talk about this all the time. It's repetitive. It's just the way it goes. You know, there's some people who listen to this and they're like, dude, he says the same stuff all the time. Guess what, dude? You tell yourself the same story all the time, over and over again. You're always telling yourself the story you're telling yourself. It's just that some people get tired of other people's story. Guess what, my friends? When you get tired of your story, that is when you're going to change in life. See, this is what I've learned about transformation. See, there's invisible universal laws going on behind the scenes of your reality, behind the scenes of your psychology, that you're probably not even aware of. And you're actually attracting into your life, well, you are attracting into your life the reality that you have, and you probably don't even know it. Even though you know it, you don't know it. Most people don't know this, dude. Because see, we're working with universal laws. See, gravity's a law. It doesn't matter if you like it or don't like it. It's a law. It's in place. It holds you to the surface of the earth, right? And guess what, baby? There are invisible universal laws called psychology, okay? Called thoughts, called words, called beliefs, called all these things that give us the personality and the reality that we have. Most people do not spend their life discovering who they are, discovering themselves, right? What are you talking about, Luke? Self-discovery. Yeah, buddy, dude. So check it out, dude. When you discover something, guess what? You find something that you didn't, you discover something. You find something, you go on an adventure, and you find yourself a golden bucket, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. This is the way it goes, my friends. You're the same way, dude. Your whole life, you've been using the secret law of attraction to attract into your life the reality that you have right now. That's a hard thing for a lot of people to face in life because they don't want to admit that they've attracted certain things into their life. And so what a lot of people tend to do is they take what is called the victim stance. Oh, I'm a victim, it happened to me, poor me, this happened to me, and I didn't, I was raised this way and all this other stuff. Understand something. You ain't nobody special. Okay, this happens to everyone. Me included, dude. Yeah, buddy. We all get dealt a hand in life, right? We all get dealt a certain reality in life. And it's up to us to figure out what we're going to do as we get older, right? As we become more responsible, right? That means we're able to respond, right? Responsible, right? Yeah, buddy, dude. This is the way it goes, my friends. And if you can get past that victim stance, you could step into personal transformation. See, this is why it's powerful. Because the law of attraction, it doesn't care about positive or negative. It just is. It is the law of cause and effect. That is what the law of attraction is. You attract whatever you attract into your life based upon the cause, and that cause creates the effect, right? Guess what, baby? You go jump off the mountain, guess what? You're gonna hit the ground, dude. Okay? Personal transformation, right? Splat. Yeah, buddy. Check it out, baby. You want to learn to discover a new personality, new attitude? Guess what? You have to discover greater levels of awareness, greater levels of psychology, greater levels of understanding, greater levels of beliefs and attitudes and perceptions of reality. You see what I'm saying here, dude? If you don't discover, you understand most people spend their life not knowing who they are? Luke, what are you talking about? I know who I am. Yeah, guess what, dude? I know. I thought I knew who I was too. But guess what? When you scale up, when you go up the escalator of truth, guess what? And you look in the mirror, the reflection of the psychology staring back at you, you start to question whether or not you know who you are. See, I thought I knew who I was 10 years ago, 15 years ago. 10, 15 years ago, you know what I was doing 10, 15 years ago? 10, 15 years ago, I was smoking bud every single day. 10, 15 years ago, I would get high and then I'd go to the gym. And then I'd do it all over again, right? 15 years ago, I was working at a job that, it was a cool job, paid the bills, you did what it had to do, but I wasn't happy. 15 years ago, I thought I knew who I was. But guess what? When I started discovering my own psychology, when I started challenging my own perception of reality, see, that's when I started to make changes. And those little micro changes, they accumulate, they get bigger. The little changes create the bigger changes. And so, what kind of life are you going to create? What kind of, you can't just say, well, I don't want to make that little adjustment because it's not going to improve me. No, it's going to improve you. You ain't going to get it perfect, but we ain't talking about perfection. A lot of people get stuck in the brain of perfection. So that guess what? They're always whooping on themselves. They're never good enough. They can never get ahead. They're always condemning themselves. They're always judging themselves. They're always trash talking themselves for every little single thing they do wrong. Guess what? You're the one attracting that. If you're like that, you're attracting those ideas based upon that law of the universe. And so, do you want to learn about personal transformation? See, when you transform, you transition from one block of knowledge, one block of intelligence, one level of awareness to a greater block of knowledge, a greater level of awareness, right? Of course, transformation, baby. Yeah, buddy. And it's personal. You versus you, baby. It's a one-on-one game you play with yourself. One-on-one game you do with yourself. And ain't no one has authority to tell you that you can't grow, that you shouldn't improve yourself, that you should only focus on everything negative that you do. Yeah, this is how a lot of people live life. They live life this way, and then they are not happy. They get stuck in worlds that they can't stand. You see what I'm saying here, dude? And so when we talk about personal transformation and self-discovery, in order for you to personally transform, you have to discover the person you want to be, dude. You have to. For me, I was like, you know what? I want to talk about confidence. That's going to be the foundation. See, confidence is a doorway. Confidence is a doorway, dude. It's like entering the classroom, baby. But guess what? There's more subjects in the classroom. You're talking about this, and you're talking about, not being a victim. You're talking about getting past negativity. You're talking about belief systems, right? You're talking about emotional intelligence. You're talking about higher levels of awareness. You're talking about how reality works. Reality shifting, right? Subconscious beliefs. See? This is the way it goes, dude. You want to learn about charisma, baby? You want to learn about building your happiness? Becoming more joyful? Becoming more peace? Having more peace of mind? Becoming more lighthearted? You see what I'm saying? You want to learn how to build mental strength? Yeah, buddy, baby, you can. It's up to you what you decide to harness, because these are secrets that most people don't know about. See, if the average person out and about knew about this stuff, it wouldn't be a secret. It'd be just like fast food, Everyone would be, using it, right? But guess what? Most people don't know about it. This is why it's powerful. Because if this is your first time hearing about it, guess what, dude? Personal transformation, right? You want to learn how to discover who you are? You only discover who you are when you relate with better ideas, greater ideas, right? Greater values, right? Higher standards, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. This is the way it goes. But you got to get past your filter. See, right now you have a filter of reality. And your filter says, this is the way it has to be. This is the way it is. This is the way it is. And so anything that contradicts your filter of reality, it just like it ping pongs off. No, I don't believe that. Bing, it goes away. No, I don't this. No, I don't that. No, I don't. Guess what, baby? You ain't never going to change as long as you stay like that. You ain't ever going to change. I mean, think about it. The Creator created the word change, and you're going to say, no, we don't believe that. Every word that exists was created by the Creator. It makes no sense. It exists for a reason. Because things change. Period. Things change all the time. But it's like when we're talking about personal transformation, are you willing to make a change in your attitude? Are you willing to make a change in your reality? Are you willing to make a change in your happiness? Are you willing to discover a new version of who you are? See, this is what I've learned. These are secrets, dude. Most people walking around with the lens of negativity, looking at the world through a lens of negativity. Ain't nothing good. They ain't good. Gossip here, gossip there, gossip everywhere. Problem here, problem there, problem everywhere. This is what people do. They get stuck in these worlds, these make-believe worlds. You make yourself believe what you want to believe. Dang, dude. You ever considered how real that statement is? Everything's make-believe. You make yourself believe what you make yourself believe. I make myself believe what I make myself believe. What do you want to make yourself believe? See, personal transformation comes through discovering new possibilities of who you are. See, every time you add a new thought to yourself, a new concept, a new piece of information that's premium grade knowledge, higher level awareness, you discover that aspect of yourself. And because you discover that, you personally transform a little bit more, right? A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. It's always a little bit more. Next thing you know, 10, 15 years passes, you're a completely different person, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. Freaking amazing, dude. Most people don't know that. So, what do you want to create? See, if you're stuck right now in jealousy and envy and pride and all this other nonsense, dude, you're trapped. You are trapped. And the only way you're going to transform is to tear away, remove those filters. Remove the inferiority complex. Remove the comparison trap. This is where people get trapped. People live life comparing themselves to other people. Well, I'm not like that. Well, I can't, I can't do that. And so they belittle themselves. They belittle themselves. And so they cancel themselves out of receiving the ability and the blessing and the growth and the success and the happiness. And so see what I'm saying? What do you want to do, dude? Anything's possible. It's always possible. Are you possible? See, that's the question. Possibly, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. And that, my friends, is the law of attraction secrets to personal transformation and discovering who you are. You have to be willing to educate yourself. You have to be willing to train yourself. You have to be willing to agree with new perceptions of reality, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. A lot of people don't know that. A lot of people think that I'm too intense. A lot of people think that, you're not going to please everyone. And so you just got to find out who you want to be, discover what kind of attitude you want to have, which hopefully it's a positive, healthy one, because then you're going to have a good mental outlook on life, and then demonstrate that every single day. See, a lot of people, they justify, well, and this everyone, even me, we justify what we believe in. But see, when I share this with certain people, they may not like it. So they'll justify their way away from it. Well, I just didn't like that guy. He's too whatever, this, and that. You gotta understand something, baby. This is the way reality works, dude. It's just like, you're gonna go water the grass, right? And then you criticize because the water's coming out too hard. It's coming out too fast, so you criticize it. Hey, dude, to each their own, right? Yeah, buddy, this is the way it goes, my friends. And so, what do you want to do with your life? Who do you want to be? It's up to you. You're in charge. A lot of people, they don't want to be in charge of their thoughts, yet the whole freaking time, they're the ones who have to make the decision to be in charge of themselves. Go here, go there, do this, do that. No self-denial, don't do it though. You're not in charge of yourself. Don't take a single step, yet you got legs to walk and take steps. You got thoughts to think and make choices, right? No, but don't do it, but you're told to do it. I mean, it's part of who you are, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. And so that, my friends, is how to do it. It's up to you what you decide you want to do. It's up to you how far down the rabbit hole you want to go. Because the further down you go, guess what? You're going to find new knowledge. Alice in Wonderland, dude. Yeah, buddy. I wonder, huh? Dang, dude. But that's it, baby. That's all I got for you guys today, my friends. Check it out, dude. If you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, you guys like this kind of information, consider subscribing, dude. If you guys like the video, boom, dude, big old thumbs up. Hit the little bell notification if you want to receive updates when I rock these videos, baby. But I do thank you guys, and I do look forward to talking to you champions again next time, baby. Peace. Boom, boom, boom. Because that's what we do, my friends. You gotta transform. You gotta make your mind over to be transformed, right? And the only way to do that is to discover new knowledge, right? Discover new insights, right? Discover new awareness, right? And when you discover that for yourself, man, that's amazing. Because then you're gonna download those beliefs, and then you're going to attract into your life the type of reality that you want to create, baby. Yeah, buddy, baby.